Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to check Google Form answers on your phone in 2025 step by step. So whether you created a form for surveys, quizzes or business feedback, I will show you the quickest way to view all of the responses right from your phone. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser. It can be any web browser, but I would recommend you to use Chrome web browser if you are using it on your Android device. You can also use Safari if you are using iOS device. So you must be wondering, why is that so? Because in order to operate these web browsers, you need to sign in already. So once you do this, and when you search for forms.google.com, you are going to see this particular link, which is going to be like Google Form sign in. So when you click on it, you don't need to log in here separately. You will directly see this type of interface in front of you. Now, if you haven't already signed in, you can just simply log in here with the help of that particular account in which you want to see the responses. And then too, you are going to see this type of form in front of you. Now, in order to view the responses, you will see the responses tab here in the middle. When you tap on it, you are going to see the total number of people who have filled out your form, and all their answers in the summary form will be available here. As you can see, currently I have zero responses because I haven't shared this particular file with anyone. But if you have shared it with anyone, you are going to see all of the responses over here. Now you can download this particular responses tab in the form of CSV. So you can tap on the three dots right next to it. After that, you can download the responses in the form of CSV. You can also print all of the responses, and you can also delete all of the responses. Now here, when the responses are active, you will also see the individual tab. So you can just swipe left to right to move between the responses. So that is also a perfect option. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.